Hey y'all, it's Sim from Sim Super Savings, and today we're going to play with some stickers. These are Rhinestone paw decals, and I just really like sparkly things, and I thought they were super cute. So what I thought I would do with these, and sometimes I impulse buy, and that would be these, is I have little glasses like this that I keep a lot of my cosmetics and things in. So I'm going to decorate them with some rhinestone stickers. And I figured I'd share that with you while I was doing it. And the biggest problem for me will be that, of course, my nails are a little long and there isn't a whole lot of an edge here to get a hold of. It's going to take me a second. Or a little longer than a second. Thank you for being patient with me. All right, those are really tacky. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to fix this right here to this. And it goes on really smooth and it really sticks, like it's staying put. But look at all this sparkle on there. Love it. And then we just have to add all of these little, like the actual little paw pads, not the main pad of the foot here. And we're going to pull them apart. Now this does come with multiples in there. You can put these on your car if you wanted. Maybe you like decorating your car. I'm having trouble again. You know, with little paw prints or little bling things. I just really like things that sparkle. Like, I can never have too much glitter. I just love sparkly things. All right, and then we're just going to place these around. And instead of making you sit here while I do that, I'll come right back and show you the finished product once I get them all on there. You guys, check it out. We got them all on there. Isn't that adorable? Maybe a little crooked, but that is operator error on my fault because I was kind of holding it at a tilt when I applied it, but I still think it's super cute, and I'm going to finish doing the rest of these glasses. The only downside is that I have 6 of these in a shelf that hold a lot of my makeup brushes or little things that I tend to use a lot but lose a lot too because they're smaller. So these, I think, only came with 4 total. You get 4 total paw prints, and each one is, of course, 5 stickers each, but it's a really good value for the money. Extreme sparkle going on there. I really like it. Highly recommend if you're looking for any sort of, you know, decals or anything sparkly like this that you might want to put on something you have at home.